Would you like to know the top home renovations that give you the highest return on investment? Whether you're selling your home or just want to boost its value, these 5 updates can make all the difference.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and this is Doug Swardstrom, your luxury real estate experts in Orange County, California. We help homeowners like you maximize their home value, and today we're sharing the 5 most effective renovations to boost your resale value in 2024. Let's dive in.
Number 1, minor kitchen remodel. Kitchens sell homes, there's no surprise there. A minor kitchen remodel can give you a return on investment, an ROI, of up to 80%. Think reface cabinets, quartz or natural stone countertops, and energy-efficient appliances. Also, update your floors with luxury vinyl plank or tile, modern, durable, and perfect for high-traffic areas.
Kitchens are the heart of the home, and here in California, buyers love eco-conscious, stylish spaces. A kitchen facelift with sustainable finishes appeals to today's buyer, making this one of the smartest areas to invest in. Number 2, interior and exterior painting. A fresh coat of paint inside and out can give you a return on investment of up to 80%. Inside, neutral colors brighten and open up spaces, making them feel move-in ready. For exterior, modern earthy tones and grays are trending right now. They're perfect for the California's laid-back yet refined style.
Why it works? Painting is one of the most cost-effective ways to make your home look clean and modern. Buyers love the instant transformation, whether it's fresh curb appeal or a bright, inviting interior. Number 3, new flooring. Updating your flooring is another high return on investment project, offering around 65 to 75%. Light natural wood or the very good luxury vinyl plank choices you have today are affordable, water resistant, and durable. Hardwood floors also remain timeless, adding warmth and elegance to living spaces. Consider replacing worn carpets with these options for a major impact.
Buyers today want flooring that's both stylish and easy to maintain. In California, eco-friendly materials like sustainable wood or lookalikes that offer durability are in high demand. Flooring updates can drastically improve a home's aesthetic and functionality. Number 4, curb appeal enhancements. First impressions are everything. Curb appeal enhancements like fresh paint, new siding, a modern front door, updated landscaping can give you up to 100% return on investment. Here in California, drought-tolerant landscaping is a must, and adding native plants or xeriscaping like succulents or even artificial turf can make a huge difference.
Why this works? Because outdoor living is a big part of California culture. Buyers are drawn to homes with beautiful, low-maintenance exteriors, and curb appeal can be the difference between selling quickly or sitting on the market. Number 5, bathroom remodel. Last but not least, bathroom remodels offer an ROI of 60 to 65% on average. Updating with floating vanities, frameless glass showers, and water-saving fixtures like low-flow toilets is especially appealing in California. Modern, stylish bathrooms are a big selling point for today's buyers.
Small bathroom upgrades like new tile or lighting fixtures can really elevate the space. Buyers love bathrooms that feel modern and functional. In a market that focuses on conservation, water-saving features are a major plus. So, these 5 renovations can drastically increase your home's value and appeal to buyers, especially here in Orange County. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to invest in your home, these are smart, impactful updates.
If you're surprised by any of these renovation ideas in this video, let us know in the comments section below.
Let us know if you've done any of the renovations that we've spoken about or plan to do some. If you do, we have a great list of contractors we would love to share.
In today's video, we went over 5 wise investments to make for a positive return on investment when renovating your home. In an upcoming video, we're going to be covering mistakes that home sellers sometimes make in doing renovations to their home, and they do not get a return on their investment. So if you'd like to see that video, make sure you hit the subscribe and alert bell below, and we'll be sure to make sure you get that video. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate if you'd hit the subscribe button below to to get you more tips on how to get the most out of your home. And if you're ready to sell or you need expert advice, we're just a call or text away. See you soon in the next video.